Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that's incredibly useful and relevant in our daily lives. Our word of the day is convenient, a B1 level adjective meaning easy to use. Convenient describes something that saves time or effort, making life a little bit simpler. Think about things that make your day smoother. Those are likely convenient. So, let's explore this word in more detail. Convenient essentially means fitting in well with your needs or plans, or causing no difficulty to you. In everyday language, we use it to describe anything from a nearby grocery store to a time that works well for scheduling a meeting. For instance, this app is very convenient for managing my tasks. Or the location of the hotel is convenient for accessing public transportation. Now, let's look at some synonyms for convenient. One synonym is easy. For example, instead of saying the online form is very convenient to fill out, you could say the online form is very easy to fill out. Another synonym is handy. You might say this small tool is really handy for fixing things around the house, which is similar to saying this small tool is really convenient for fixing things around the house. Another great synonym is practical. Think about it this way. Having a car is very practical for commuting to work, which conveys the same meaning as having a car is very convenient for commuting to work. Let's add another synonym, useful. For example, this website offers useful information for travelers. Mirrors, this website offers convenient information for travelers. One more synonym to enrich our vocabulary is advantageous. You could say taking the earlier train is advantageous to avoid the rush hour, just like you could say taking the earlier train is convenient to avoid the rush hour. Now, let's switch gears and explore antonyms, words with opposite meanings. One antonym for convenient is inconvenient. For example, it is inconvenient to have to travel so far for groceries. This contrasts with the ease and efficiency implied by convenient. Another antonym is difficult. You might say the instructions were difficult to understand, which is the opposite of saying something is convenient or easy to use. Let's add awkward as another antonym. Imagine saying the meeting time is awkward for me, conveying the opposite of a convenient meeting time. Also, consider unsuitable. A sentence like this software is unsuitable for our needs demonstrates that it is not convenient or appropriate. Finally, let's add troublesome. Saying the process of applying for the visa was troublesome is quite the opposite of saying it was convenient. Now, let's explore the usage of convenient in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend about your new apartment. You might say, "I love my new apartment. It's so convenient to everything. The bus stop is right outside, and there's a supermarket just around the corner." Or perhaps you're planning a meeting. You could ask, "Is 3 p.m. a convenient time for you?" Think about online shopping. We often say, "Online shopping is so convenient. I can buy anything from the comfort of my home." Let's look at some more specific examples in sentences and phrases. This foldable chair is convenient for outdoor events. The convenience store around the corner is open 24/7. It's convenient to have a washing machine in the apartment. I find it very convenient to pay bills online. What's the most convenient way to get to the airport from here? Having a universal remote control is extremely convenient. The convenient layout of the kitchen makes cooking much easier. It's more convenient to take the train than drive during rush hour. To recap, convenient is a B1 level adjective meaning easy to use. It describes something that saves time or effort. We explored synonyms like easy, handy, practical, useful, and advantageous. We also looked at antonyms such as inconvenient, difficult, awkward, unsuitable, and troublesome. Remember, using convenient helps you express the ease and efficiency of something in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of convenient enlightening. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and expand their vocabulary. Now it's your turn. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word convenient and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.